Hello everyone, back into the chest for something new. When Doctor Who first welcomed Jon Pertwee to the screen, it also first welcomed color to the TV show. So as they added budget, added props, they also, very typical of the early 1970s, embraced colorizing things as much as possible. Thus, the very colorful Jon Pertwee sonic screwdriver. This is an all-metal replica made by RussRep. I have several of his pieces and I've always been very satisfied with his work. However, this one has been bumped up a little bit. This one's been accuratized. My friend Adam, who goes by the name of Straker, and I reached a nice little agreement where I had Russ drop ship him one of his third Doctor Sonics, and then Adam went completely overboard and brought lots of extra beauty into this piece. He stripped it down, repainted it, cleaned it up. Also, the action on this is smooth as silk. Sound is good quality. It's nice and loud. And a very, very pretty piece. This is definitely one that I enjoy having out on display. And occasionally may take to a convention or two.